everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted mustard chicken drumstick. It's going to be juicy, tender, moist, will be very delicious. I have a 3.5 pound chicken drumstick with skin on, washed with cold water and drained it. These are the ingredients I'm going to use: salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon each, 1 tablespoon hot sriracha chili sauce, 2 teaspoon parsley flake, 2 teaspoon vegetable oil, garlic, ginger, garam masala, half teaspoon each, and 1/4 cup mustard. Let's start marinating chicken drumsticks. Get a mixing bowl, bring all the spices: salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic, ginger, garam masala, parsley flake, vegetable oil, hot sriracha chili sauce, mustard. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be our marination. Get a chicken drumstick, and I'm going to make 2 cuts. One this way, one this way. The whole reason I'm making cut so that spices will go inside, and when we're going to eat it, we're going to enjoy it. If your chicken drumsticks are too big, then make it 3 cut, otherwise 2 is good. Just like this. So I'll finish up the same way. So this is the last piece. You can mix it with a hand or with the help of fork. Make sure that each drumstick is nicely coated. Once all the chicken drumsticks are nicely marinated, cover with the lid and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Longer the better, but I'll marinate only 2 hours. I'll place the tray. This is the hot water. If you haven't cooked like this with the water, please try it. So I'm going to push the tray back, and we're going to start the oven. I'll use upper oven, and we're going to use convection, and we're going to use bake, and the temperature we're going to use 450 degree Fahrenheit, and we're going to start it. And it's going to convection bake. It's a preheating. It's right now it's 100 degree Fahrenheit. Once it gets preheated, then we place the chicken drumstick on top of the tray. As you hear the beep, the oven is preheated at 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is at 232 degrees Celsius. And if we look at inside, as you see, the water is hot. And now we're going to bring the chicken drumstick, and we're going to place the tray right on top of it. Chicken is marinated for 2 hours. I'll place it on the tray. And this is the last piece. Now I'll take this tray and put it on top of the water tray. You can see oven is preheated. I'll open it, so be careful. The water is really hot. I'm going to pull the tray out. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. This is hot. Push the tray back. Close it. We're going to set the time for 30 minutes. Start cooking It's already 29:56, as you can see. So we're going to wait for 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, our chicken will be fully cooked. If you haven't tried cooking chicken or any meat with the water, please try it and you're going to like it. The water is hot. When it steams up, it cooks through the bone. Sometimes you eat chicken drumstick and you say there is a smell. By cooking this way, you will never going to have that complaint. The bones are exposed, meat start to pull back. Within 30 minutes at 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius, the chicken meat is fully cooked. So if you want the crispy chicken drumstick, you can turn the broil for 5 minutes and it will give you extra crispiness. So if we look now, "18 seconds left." So we're almost done cooking, half an hour. And as you can see, the meat is fully cooked within half an hour. You can see it, the kitchen timer expired, so I'm going to dismiss. And we're going to cancel. So we're going to turn the oven off. As I turn the oven off, we're going to leave it inside another 10 minutes. Once it's cooled down, then I'm going to take it out, then I will share with you. This is a perfectly cooked, juicy, tender, moist chicken drumstick. But if you want to make it more crispy, then you can turn the broil on for like 5 minutes. But I'm going to leave it right now 10 minutes and we'll come back. I waited for 10 minutes. The oven is still hot, so be careful. So I'm going to pull the tray out. As you can see, very delicious looking chicken drumstick. This is very quick and easy recipe. Let me share with you. Chicken drumstick marinated with mustard. Mustard chicken drumsticks are all ready. They are very moist, very juicy, very tender. Please try it and you're going to like it. As I mentioned earlier, if you haven't tried with the water, please try it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.